to save in Computer Academy. So still on Microsoft Word, there are many other things we can do here, but lest I forget, I didn't tell you this. Okay, again, as a matter of fact, remember you triple click to select everything. After selecting everything, I can also use Ctrl X for cut. Okay, instead of just you coming over here to click on cut, come over here, just use Ctrl X. Okay, if I try Ctrl X now, everything will cut. See it, I've cut it. Let's I want to paste it here. I'll come over here, click on it, and use Ctrl V or paste. Ctrl V, and you see it has pasted there. Okay, so these are also what you need to do that I forgot to tell you in the previous class. But now, how do you work with every other thing that is here? A lot of things are here, right? Okay, of course, but you can work with all of them. Let's say, for example, this I want all these ones to be. I want to work with these ones right now, and let me. I want to work with this. I'll select it as usual. Or just triple click and select it. Then come over here. I can make it. I can change the area, for instance. If you come to where there's area, you click on area. I can choose area black or any of the area that I feel like. Algeria, area black, Times New Roman, area. Just any font you feel like, you can actually apply it there. Then you can also increase the size, maybe make it 16 or whatever. Okay, I can also come over here and increase the size. See it, increase it as many as I want. Or if it's too big, I can come over to the smaller one and decrease the font. Decrease it up to any level you want. Then I can also come over here and make it that size. I can underline the text, can make this text to be strike through, so a whole lot of things. I can also change the color, like here, if I come over here, put animation on the text, I can put outline, I can put shadow, I can put draw, so many things you can do right here. Okay, so take your time, go over all these ribbons, then about them one by one, apply them, know how you can use them. What about color? Actually add this text to a color, and here is the text color, and right here is the background color. I can actually put all of that, apply the background color, and then apply the text color. Let's say I want it to be white, I make it come over here and make it white. So you can add so many varieties of things. Then what if I want it just where that this one is at centered, I want it to be centered or maybe to the left. Then if you come over here, you see you can make it to be centered, look at it at center. You can take it to the left, it goes to the left. This is it, you are watching it. So you can also make it, we call it justify. It become the way it was before now. Okay. Then if you check this text too, you notice that there's a lot of gap in between the text. How do I able to achieve that? You come over here, if you click underline paragraph, you see there's a line there. 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0. Depending each of the line, you see the size. Depending on what you want to do, you want it to be very large or very small. You can also come over here and do a lot of things down there. Okay, and if you check down, let's go to that font size. Come over here, look at the dialog box, click on it to open a dialog box for you. Here are everything you can do with respect to font. So I can choose as many things as I can here. Maybe strike through, double strike through, super detergent, so many things that you can think of, bold, italics, and the rest of them. So you can come over here, things that are not here are all here. So you choose wherever you want. Maybe you're searching for that, you didn't see it there, you can come over and make use of this. Choose them, apply them, and it will work perfectly well for you. Okay. And this text tool that we are showing here, I can come over and make it normal. Click on normal and it becomes normal text. Let's say that maybe where you're copying it from, there's a lot of maybe color and kind of styles and stuff like that. You want to remove those styles. Over here, make it normal. So the heading there, the title, the subtitle, so many things that you can work on right here. Okay, take your time, do them one after the other, find out what the key is, apply it, because you need all of this to make sure that your work is completely okay. Okay, so you can add color, you can have your bottom line, or borders and stuff like that. So you can even draw a table in between. Maybe you want to put a grid line. So so many things you can do with Microsoft Word. So just take your time, play around all the ribbons here, and learn what you can do here, and then see how these things, how they apply on each of the places. Okay. See you in our next class. Thank you. Bye.